I've been teaching that in the age of AI. Leaders no longer win by expertise alone. They win by adaptability, emotional presence, and human capabilities that cannot be automated. AI sees the pattern, but leaders see the person behind the pattern. Emotional mastery is now the decoder of human context and the number one differentiator.
What is the worst case scenario? So once you ask that question, you are preparing yourself mentally to whatever is coming ahead of you.
The most dangerous phrase in leadership isn't "I don't know." It's "I already know."
Exactly.
And future-ready leaders ask better questions before they look for better answers. Conflict avoided becomes silence. And silence kills the trust and kills the atmosphere and the culture. But conflict transformed becomes alignment. So the leaders who win today are the ones who can turn tension into progress.
People will follow you if you are always for them, supporting them. They can see this image, so it is your image, your branding. They will follow you, no matter what. Even if you make a wrong decision, they will still follow you because they believe in you.
Yeah. If your team needs approval to move, you're not leading, you're managing. Tasks, timelines, deadlines. But future-ready leadership is about creating teams that can think and act without your permission. When this gentleman tells you, "This is interesting," what do you think he meant? And I asked the Danish person. And he says, because he's interested. He wants to learn more. So even partners, they don't realize that culturally, if he says interesting, the Danish thinks that, he's happy, and the other guy is said no.
Yeah.
And
it's a polite way.
It's a polite way that to brush off the subject.
Yeah.
The future doesn't belong to the strongest or the smartest. It belongs to the most adaptive. And adaptation starts with emotional mastery, intentional presence, and the courage to evolve. Your leadership identity, your wisdom reinforces something I deeply believe in, that real leadership is not about predicting the future. It's about preparing yourself to meet it.